Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the device with Android 13, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the section Sound and Vibration. Now let's scroll down just a little bit to find the phone ringtone and tap. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the actually the albums, not exactly the particular sounds. So here we've got plenty of them to choose from. Here we've got also My Sounds, which simply means that after entering, you will be able to pick the ringtone which you've got downloaded, for example. Right now it is, we do not have any, but we've got also the option None, and it simply means that after picking it, your device will not use the sound feedback in order to notify you about the incoming call. So it's of course up to you. I don't think that this option is the best, so let's get it back. And as I said, those which are listed right here are not the actual ringtones, they are the albums. So for example, in the classical harmonies, we've got much more options to choose from. And if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to hear it. So for example, Material Adventures, and for example, this one. And let me volume it down just a little bit, because it's too loud. So basically this is how it works, and if you like particular ringtone, just make sure that it is marked, just like this option here, and remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. As you can see, we just got back to the sound and vibration option, and here we've got the name of the ringtone we just chosen, which simply means that from now on your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.